Attention upcoming movers. Whether it's for you or a friend, we've got a game-changing guide for you. It's our client welcome kit. No heavy box lifting required. Meet your ultimate companion for a seamless transition. I'm Floyd with Connect Realty here in the Woodlands. And in a minute, I'm going to share with you just one gem from this treasure trove. But first, imagine this. Not just a change in address, but a lifestyle upgrade. Whether you're eyeing that dream home, or planning to sell your current home, or looking at an opportunity to invest in the real estate market, our kit is your trusty guide. It's more than information, it's actionable steps and insights from proven strategies to practical advice. We've got the tools to fuel your real estate journey. It includes the relocation guide, your personalized roadmap for a hassle-free move, with 7 steps unraveling the moving process. Are you ready for the Woodlands? Snag your copy today by clicking on the link below to unlock access to our welcome kit. If you have any questions or you're seeking guidance, we're here. Drop a comment below or reach out anytime. Your Woodlands chapter starts here with just one click, and we are excited to be your guides.